What's going on, guys? Nanu Garage here. Today's video, my boy Arian brought out his Nissan 350Z. So we're about to start our journey down to Mexico, and I'm not the best person at swinging a car or anything, but I'm gonna give him a few little pointers that I wish I knew when I was learning to swing my car, and we're gonna go see what his 350Z can do. So we're about to go hit the streets of Mexico and have some fun. So stay tuned and let's get to it. Dang. So in case you guys are wondering what exhaust setup he's running, it's a Megan Racing single exit exhaust. So that's what it is. It actually sounds hella good, and I'm genuinely impressed because this thing sounds like a beast. But he is thinking of putting test pipes on soon, getting a tune for the car, getting an intake, and a whole entire awesome build on the 350Z. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm super excited to see what he's got in store for it. So we're gonna hit the TC off button again, and that's gonna turn it mostly off. This is good enough for drifts and stuff, but if you want to do full burnouts and stuff, you're gonna have to unplug the fuse. So there's probably other videos on that. So anyways, let's get to it. So I'm gonna pull up right here, hit that left foot brake, right? How's that?
Jesus, bro. That was insane.
Alright, so basically you're gonna want to be in the manual mode like I was when I tried it out. So once you're in the manual mode, I found what's best is when you're in first gear, you do a brake stand and you let it cut loose, and then you can hit second gear and then you can unwind the wheel back the other way and swing it out wide. And then you can cut loose and let it swing out wide, which seemed to work best for this car, because first gear, the gear isn't long enough. It's not tall enough to be able to do it. Brake stand right now, and then remember, you can hit up right here to be able to shift up. You can hit up right here to shift up, and then left foot on the brake. Left foot on the brake. Yeah. That's your right foot, bro. So now do a brake stand, so start doing a little mini burnout right here. Yep. Now you can unwind it this way. Yeah, there you go. There you go. This man's flicked his cruise control while we was doing donuts, but man, it's hella smoky out here. Big shout out to Ari for letting me swing his car, and he did good swinging his. This dude was going crazy. I was sitting in my seat like, woohoo! That was nuts. Uh-oh, Mexican police came out tonight. Oh, someone crashed into like a railroad, bro. Oh yeah, go, because it's coming. You can go slowly though. Oh. Dude, someone crashed up into a rail. We got 3 cops up over here. 1, 2, 3. Sheesh. Alright, so it looks like we got the Mexican police following us. So we're just gonna... I don't know what we're gonna do. We're just gonna wait for stuff to die down. We're trying to get a swing session number 2 in. We got our two spotters, I guess we'll call it. So we're gonna have our spotters watching out, getting that outside footage, and then we're gonna go get down to some business. I think we got the Mexican police off our tail, but we'll just hit it a little one and done. Good second. Today, baby. Oh yeah. Oh, did you see that flame? Oh, 2 fat flames right there. Oh! And I hope you guys enjoyed today's YouTube video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I want that hashtag Arian.bars down in the comment section. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to seeing all of you guys in the next video. Go give Arian a follow right over here. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.